Hi guys, this is Jada. We're gonna go from Leslie's homesteading. We're gonna go on a nature walk and we're gonna see some cool trees and some leaves and some cool bushes. And right here I got my binoculars almost set up and I got my walking stick. And if you look really closely, there's a bear right here, so I love going on nature hunts. It's like hiking except it's at home to another home. So hope you enjoy this video. Thanks for watching.
What are you seeing out there?
The barn has this like white thing with lines, kind of like that thing. And there's like a circle connecting it from the bottom. From the top all the way to the bottom. And then there's like wire connecting it, and there's like it's like connecting it to the door, and the door has this like little knob and it's colored white. And I think we could look at some great pics or videos on the creek.
Oh, you want to go over to the creek? All right.
Hi guys, so I was just looking at the creek and it's moving waves. You can't really see the waves that good.
Oh, yeah.
It's illegal how it's moving so fast. It's actually waves. I can see it in my binoculars. And we got like, it's kind of like a forest. We got like these dead trees and we got some moss right there.
Yeah.
And if you know a lot about forests,
Yeah.
you would know that if you just step on these, you have really a lot of room. And once you touch the moss, you can't even feel the stick. All you feel is like
Is it soft?
and all you have to
Yeah.
do is do it with rub tape and you just pull it out.
Yeah.
Some friends might need help with their mom or their dad.
Yeah, some old moss. All right, well, that sure is beautiful over there at that creek.
And the moss, if you look very
Let
closely,
me see.
there's these furry things
Yeah.
right here.
Oh.
And on the bottom, there's mulch. Almost looks like it's inside the dirt. And the mulch blends in with the dirt.
Is that mulch in there?
Mhm.
Okay.
And the moss is very weak to throw.
Yeah?
See, look, ready?
Watch this. It's real light, isn't it?
Go.
Oh, yeah, it's light.
Oh, we went all there.
Yeah.
And something.
Hey, check out that.
Moss
Look at that
is-
tree right there.
It
The leaves
doesn't
are-
blend in only with grass.
Well, look over here. Look this right here. All right, watch this. Watch it.
These trees, they have like dried bark
Yeah.
and a little bit of moss on them.
Well, look right here. This tree here, barely hanging on. See the leaves, the brown leaves? Yep, it's barely hanging on. Now look at that picture over there. There's that creek again.
And it looks like there's pointy things.
Well, there's a lot of fish in that little creek right there. We know all about it, don't we? All right, you ready to move on?
Yep.
Okay. Hey, Gracie, you saw something that people need to be warned about. What is
Yes.
it?
This is a warning.
All right, show me.
This tree right here has thorns. Like
Ooh,
big,
look
big,
at that.
big thorns.
We sure don't want to
It
walk
poked
into
my
that,
leg.
do we? Look
But
at that.
I really love nature hunting, so I've
Yeah.
seen it before.
You've seen it before. You
And-
recognized it.
Yep. And
Alright.
if you have a walking stick and you're trying to get out of it,
Yeah.
you just poke it
Yeah.
and leave
Move
it
it out of
down.
the way. All right. All right. Let's move on. Good warning.
Hi guys, this is Jada again. Hope you enjoyed my video so far, and I hope you can watch it all, and I hope you, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe down below, and don't forget to hit the bell hit the bell for any notifications so you don't miss any more videos, and have a great Christmas break and a happy new year.